Good morning. Thanks for your company this Wednesday, the 21st of October. I'm Jessica Amir, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, hopes are high for a new US fiscal stimulus package to be reached, with White House Speaker Nancy Pelosi just hours away from handing a deal to the Trump administration to hopefully be passed before the election. On Sunday, we know Pelosi told Trump's administration that she would come up with a deal in 48 hours. So that's what investors have been waiting for and why US investors have been quietly cautious. Nevertheless, we did see stocks attempt to rebound from the prior session. Economic recovery companies rose the most, like Syrah Energy up about 7%. Casino giant Wynn Resorts gained about 4% after hiring a former Clinton and Obama advisor to their board. And Travelers rose about 6% on stronger than expected profit numbers. All in all, the benchmark S&P 500 ended up about 0.5%. The Dow lifted 0.4% and the Nasdaq was up 0.3%. As for commodities, the oil price lifted 1.7%, which is welcome news for our energy companies today, as the oil price is currently at $41.51 US a barrel, and gold has maintained its foothold around the $1,909 US dollar mark. As for local trade today, the ASX futures are suggesting the market will lift 0.2%. The focus to be on Daniel Andrews opening Victoria's borders after 7 of Australia's largest companies, including BHP, Wesfarmers, CBA and CSL, all have called on the government there to open borders, saying the current situation is not sustainable. What else to watch? Well, more quarterly results out today, including for Lynas, Megaport, Sandfire, Syrah Resources. Also look out for ALX and CRN. And AGM season continues with AGL, MYS, RASSM and TPW all holding AGMs today. Ex-dividends, there's a few. ACF, AID and SNC all go ex-div. As for economic news, well, not much out, but we will get a preliminary read on retail trade today. That's not likely to move markets. So as for trading ideas that could be worth a look, Bell Potter upgraded the costume jewellery business Lovisa, LOV, as a buy, increasing its target to $10, and that implies 15% upside. LOV did have their AGM yesterday, and they noted that same-store sales are almost back in the black, while Metro Melbourne stores are set to open soon, the 1st of November. Now, Bell Potter is expecting more stores to open in FY22 and also likes that Lovisa has got a strong balance sheet. What do I mean by that? A good cash balance and undrawn debt facilities. And Zip, Z1P, was reiterated as a UBS sell with a $5.50 target after Zip launched that tap and zip platform, allowing people to shop anywhere that accepts Visa. Now, UBS argues that while the product is a lower cost to the merchant, which is good, Zip is better placed by having less reliance on merchant fees and more reliance on charging consumers for their payment choices. Now, this means Zip could be in a better place when the RBA reviews the buy now, pay later sector. So keep an eye on that. However, nevertheless, UBS maintains Zip as a sell because they're forecasting lower earnings this and next year. Bell Potter has downgraded Pacific Smiles, PSQ, from a buy to a hold, but increased their target for PSQ to $2.05. However, at the same time, Morgan Stanley maintained the same company, PSQ, as a buy with a $2.40 target, as the group is expecting fee growth of 20%. Lastly, keep an eye on 3 stocks: Unity Group, UWL, Structural Monitoring Systems, SMN, and West African Resources, WAF, all showing bullish charting signals according to Trading Central. I'm Jessica Amir with Bell Direct. Stay safe. Happy trading.